So the second supplementary from the book Footprints Without Feet, The Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond. Now before I move towards the story, let me just tell you something about the writer. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He is born on 19th May 1934, and he was born in Kasoli. He was born in Kasoli, right? He has earned many awards and rewards. He has been honored with awards like Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and many of his works are notable. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे उन्होंने वर्क लिखे हैं लिटरेचर में, many poems, right, many stories which have gained popularity. Okay, so now this thief story is a small, simple story written by Ruskin Bond. Now this story is about a young boy. His name is Hari Singh. Right? The story is about a young boy. His name is Hari Singh. And the small boy is 15 years old. How old is he? He's 15 years old. And this Hari Singh himself has written this book, this story. He himself is narrating this story. Right? Now here Hari Singh, who is 15 years old, he is a thief. वो एक चोर है. He is a thief. And he is very good at robbing. वो stealing, robbing करने में बहुत माहिर है. He is very good at robbing. Right? Now this story is about how he robs Anil. Anil, who is 25 years of age. Anil, 25 years old. And Anil is a writer. Anil is a writer, 25 years old. Now let us read how this Hari Singh, he robs Anil. Now whether he actually robs Anil or he does not rob Anil, we will read the story. Because Anil trusts him a lot. Anil ने उसके ऊपर बहुत विश्वास दिखाया था. Right? So let us see how does this Hari Singh betray Anil. I'm reading the chapter. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Here I means Hari Singh, right? तो यहाँ पर बता रहा है he saying I was still a thief. मैं तभी भी thief था. तभी भी thief मतलब he means to say कि when I met Anil, जब मैंने अनिल को मिला, that time also I was a thief. Though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. He's saying that though his age was only 15 years, but he was very experienced thief. Right? He was very experienced thief. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow. Now here he's saying that when he met Anil, right? Anil was 25 years old and he met him at a wrestling match. वो अनिल को कहाँ पर मिला? एक wrestling match पर मिला. And when I approached him, मतलब जब मैं उसको मिला, he was watching a wrestling match. Anil was 25 years of age. Anil was tall, lean मतलब thin fellow था. And he looked easygoing. Easygoing is some person who is very nice man, right? Kind, simple enough for my purpose. Simple enough for my purpose means जो अच्छे person होते हैं, easygoing होते हैं, it is easy to cheat them, right? So he's saying it was simple enough. He was a guy whom I could cheat, right? I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into young man's confidence. Now here Hari Singh is saying कि अभी लेटली उसने कोई प्रॉपर चोरी की नहीं थी, राइट, अच्छी तरह से उसको कुछ मिला नहीं था, हिज लक वाज नॉट गुड, राइट, बट अनिल को देखकर उसको लगा कि यस, उसमें उसको हरी सिंह को कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया कि आई थिंक आई कैन चीट हिम, राइट. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. अब यहाँ पर what is he doing? Hari Singh is trying to become friends with Anil. Right? Hari Singh, what is he doing? He's trying to become friends with Anil. तो जब भी हम किसी के फ्रेंड बनते हैं तो क्या होता है? What do we do? How do we start? We start a conversation by praising someone. हाँ, या तो नाम पूछकर या उसकी तारीफ कर कर वी प्रेज समवन. सो दिस इज व्हाट हरी सिंह डिड, क्योंकि वो रेसलिंग मैच में मिल रहे हैं, रेसलिंग मैच चल रहा है, तो वो अनिल को बोलता है कि यू ऑल्सो लुक लाइक अ रेसलर योरसेल्फ. अभी हमने हमने आगे वाले पैराग्राफ में क्या पढ़ा कि अनिल कैसा था? थिन, टॉल, थिन फेलो था. अब टॉल थिन फेलो को वो क्या बोल रहा है? वो क्या बोल रहा है? यू लुक लाइक अ रेसलर, राइट. दैट मीन्स कैसे कर रहा है? झूठी तारीफ कर रहा है. अ लिटिल फ्लैटरी हेल्प्स इन मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स. दैट मीन्स वो उसको फ्लैटर कर रहा था, झूठी तारीफ कर रहा था. अब अनिल को तो पता है कि आई एम थिन, है ना, तो अनिल भी उसको रिप्लाई करता है, सो डू यू रिप्लाइड, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. तो जैसे ही अनिल भी उसको बोलता है कि यू ऑल्सो लुक लाइक अ रेसलर, तो हरी सिंह को थोड़ा सा सरप्राइजिंग लगता है, क्योंकि हरी सिंह हिमसेल्फ वाज आल्सो वेरी थिन, है ना. तो अनिल अंडरस्टूड कि ही इज फ्लैटरिंग मी, सो ही रिप्लाइड इन द सेम वे. वेल, आई सेड मॉडेस्टली, आई डू रेसल अ बिट. तो यहाँ पर हरी सिंह उसको बोलता है, आई सेड मॉडेस्टली, मॉडेस्टली मतलब हम्बली, राइट, दैट मैं रेसलिंग थोड़ी बहुत कर लेता हूँ. व्हाट इज योर नेम? Anil asked this man his name. What is your name? Hari Singh, I lied. तो जब अनिल उससे पूछता है कि व्हाट इज योर नेम, तो बोलता है हरी सिंह. लेकिन हरी सिंह, आई लाइड, लाइड मतलब उसने अपना गलत नाम बताया, उसने झूठ बोला कि हिज नेम इज हरी सिंह. आई टुक अ न्यू नेम एवरी मंथ. नाउ ही इज सेइंग दैट एवरी मंथ आई चेंज माय नेम, आई टेक न्यू नेम, क्योंकि चोर है, राइट, थीफ है, तो he would change his name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employees. So here he's saying that why did he change his name every month? He changed his name every month so that, you know, he cannot be caught by the police or the other people whom he had cheated, right? So he would go on changing his name. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. अब इसका इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ, थोड़ा बहुत नेम वगैरह बताया, तो फिर अनिल जो है, he started talking about the wrestlers, कि वो कैसे लिफ्ट करते हैं, कैसे थ्रो करते हैं, you know, how do the wrestlers do, right? So he started talking about those wrestlers. Others, Hari Singh did not have much to talk about wrestlers. उसको तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था, right? So after saying something, Anil started walking. मतलब अनिल जा रहा था. He started walking. I followed casually. तो हरी सिंह अनिल के पीछे पीछे चलने लगा. Hello again, he said. वापस अनिल उसको बोलता है, hello. I gave him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said. तो हरी सिंह जो है अनिल को स्माइल करके बोलता है सामने से, he tells him, I want to work for you. मतलब मुझे आपके साथ काम करना है. I want to work for you. So Anil replies him, but I can't pay you. Anil tells him that मैं आपको पे तो नहीं कर सकता. I can't pay you. I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had just misjudged my man. तो वो बोलता है कि जैसे ही अनिल बोलता है लेकिन मैं तुम्हें पे नहीं कर सकता, तो वो सोचता है कि क्या मैंने किसी गलत इंसान को तो नहीं पकड़ लिया. आई हैव मिसजज्ड दैट मैन. आई आस्क कैन यू फीड मी. तो उसको बोलता है क्या कैन यू फीड मी, मतलब ठीक है यू कैन नॉट पे मी, एटलीस्ट यू कैन गिव, कैन यू फीड मी मतलब क्या तुम मुझे खिला सकते हो, राइट. कैन यू कुक. तो अनिल उसको पूछता है क्या तुम कुक कर सकते हो. आई कैन, आई लाइड अगैन. तो हरी सिंह बोलता है यस मैं कुक कर सकता हूँ. फिर से उसने झूठ बोला. इफ यू कैन कुक देन मे बी आई कैन फीड यू. अनिल उसको बोलता है ठीक है इफ यू कैन कुक देन आई कैन फीड यू, राइट. देन यू हैव सम वर्क आई कैन, यू हैव टू व्हाट दैट मीन्स. अब अनिल उसको क्या काम दे रहा है, खाना बनाने का, ठीक है. सो ही सेड इफ यू कैन कुक देन मे बी आई कैन फीड यू. He took me to his room over the Jumna sweet pop shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. Anil, he takes him to his room. वो उसको अपने रूम में लेकर जाता है. Where was his room? Jumna sweet shop के ऊपर था. And then he gives him a place. Anil उसको जगह भी देता है and he tells him that you can sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. अब जैसे ही मतलब अनिल ने तो उसको क्यों अपॉइंट किया था खाना बनाने के लिए. तो दैट नाइट हरी सिंह ही मेड डिनर, ठीक है, उसने रात का खाना बनाया. बट ही सेइंग दैट कि अनिल ने वो खाया नहीं. दैट मीन्स कि इट मस्ट हैव नॉट बीन कुक्ड वेल, टेरिबली कुकिंग किया हुआ था, राइट. तो ही गेव इट टू द स्ट्रे डॉग्स, मतलब अनिल ने सारा खाना डॉग्स को दे दिया. But I am just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. फिर अनिल ने उसको बोला कि you don't know how to cook and all. But Hari Singh, he did not speak anything. He only smiled, and that smile of his made Anil laugh. Later, he patted me on the head and said, "Never mind, he teach me to cook." अब imagine देखो, Anil is such a nice man, right? तो वो हरी सिंह को पैट करता है एंड देन ही टेल्स हिम दैट इट्स ओके आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू कुक. मैं तुमको खाना बनाना भी सिखा दूंगा. ही ऑल्सो टॉट मी टू राइट माई नेम and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. फिर अनिल ने हरी सिंह को बोला that I will teach you how to write your name and I will also teach you how to make full sentences, how to write whole sentence, and also to add numbers. That means here what Anil was trying to do, he was trying to teach Hari Singh how to read and write. He also taught me to write my name and said he would teach me whole sentences and to add numbers. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. अब यहाँ पर Hari Singh was happy because he knew that if he could learn how to read and write, right, so that will be a plus point. Then he can achieve anything because it is very easy to achieve things when you are an educated person, right. When you are educated, it is easy to achieve things, right. So this is what he thought. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supply, usually making a profit of about a rupee a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. अब यहाँ पर वो क्या करता था? Now Hari Singh has started living with Anil, and from morning, matlab morning se he would start his work. Anil would make tea for him. Then he would go out and buy some supplies for him. मतलब कुछ भी अगर अनिल को चाहिए होता था तो he would go and buy for him, right? whenever he would go to buy things, तो वो क्या करता था, उसमें से अ रुपी और सो वो अर्न करता था. मतलब कि अगर कोई भी चीज, सपोज अगर 5 रुपीज की अगर कोई भी थिंग आती थी, तो ही वुड टेल हिम इट इज ऑफ 6 रुपीज, और 1 रुपी वो अपने पॉकेट में डाल देता था. अंडरस्टूड? मतलब वेन एवर ही वेंट टू बाय एनीथिंग फॉर हिम, what he would do, he would add 1 or 2 rupees more and tell Anil and take that money from him. Anil also, I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. अब हरी सिंह को ये पता चल गया था कि अनिल को ऐसे तो पता ही है कि ऐसा 1 or 2 rupees मैं उसको ज्यादा बोलता हूँ एंड आई टेक मनी फ्रॉम हिम, बट कभी भी अनिल ने ऐसा कुछ उसको बोला नहीं कि दैट यू आर चीटिंग मी और समथिंग, राइट?